Hi, I'm Mr. Huber, and in this video we're going to talk about exercise 11a. Well, it just says similarly, that means work out all the missing sides and angles in a right-angled triangle, okay? So we're given a right-angled triangle again. That's 11a. A, B, C. C, A, B, alpha and beta, and this is the right angle. So when they ask for the missing sides and the missing angles, you don't have to work out the height, okay? We're given A is 27.8, and we're given the area, which is 373 units of area. So we know one thing here, and we have another piece of information, A, the area. But we don't have two things. If we had two lengths in our triangle, we would be able to work out or to work with trigonometry. Or if we had at least one angle and one side, again, we could use trigonometry in order to carry on. But here, we need to use this second piece of information. But now look, you could draw your triangle like this. This would be B, this would be A, this is C, and this is your right angle. A is still 27.8. And now it's clear how you could work out the area, because the area is A times B divided by 2. Area is base times height divided by 2. A times B divided by 2. This is extremely important. In a right-angled triangle, it's leg 1 times leg 2 divided by 2, because it's half a rectangle. Okay? Very easy, but you have to think of it. So now we know 2 out of 3 things here, because you can write 373, the area, is equal to 27.8 times B divided by 2. This is what you know. So now you can work out B quite easily. Times 2. So it's 373 times 2. 373 times 2. That's 746. You could have done that mentally. Times B. Then you divide 746 by 27.8. So you get B is approximately equal to 26.83. Let's store this, shift store B. It makes sense to store it as B because it's B. So I stored it as B. Now, once you have that, you know this is 26.83. It's easy to carry on because you could work out C quite easily. So A squared plus B squared is C squared. So that means C is the square root of A squared plus B squared. So C is the square root of 27.8 squared plus 26.83 squared. But I'm going to use the stored value. So the square root of 27.8 squared plus B squared, recall B squared. So that's C is approximately equal to 38.64 units of length. So now you know C. And, well, all you have to do is to work out alpha and beta. So let's just store this first. Shift store C. So I stored it as C. So how do I do this? Let's work with beta. Well, we always worked with alpha before, so let's work with beta. Why not? Let's say cosine beta is adjacent over hypotenuse. Adjacent, so it's 27.8 over the hypotenuse, something we just calculated, 38.64. Now you need to use the inverse cosine. Beta is arc cosine of 27.8 divided by 38.64. You see, it comes in handy that I stored this value. So it's arc cosine of 27.8 divided by my value c, recall c, brackets closed. So it's 43. Beta is approximately equal to 43.99 degrees. And now it's easy to work out alpha, because alpha is just 90 minus beta. So alpha in this case is obviously then 46.01 degrees. I hope it wasn't too difficult. There are many ways to do this, but clearly this is very important. Obviously, the area of a triangle is base times height divided by 2. But you know every triangle has 3 heights. Even a right-angled one has 3 heights. For example, this would be the height HC. This here would be the height HC. When put on the side A, then the height B is the height HA. And if we had put it like this, for example, then the height towards B is obviously A. So height HB would have been the side A. So that's quite important to understand. So we had to use this second piece of information in order to work out the second side, and only then we were able to use trigonometry. So see you in the next one.